8 Best Exercises for Weight Loss. It's estimated that half of all American adults attempt to lose weight every year. Aside from dieting, exercising is one of the most common strategies employed by those trying to shed extra pounds. It burns calories, and this plays a key role in weight loss. In addition to helping you lose weight, exercise has been linked to many other benefits, including improved mood, stronger bones, and a reduced risk of many chronic diseases. Here are the 8 best exercises for weight loss. 1. Walking. It's convenient and an easy way for beginners to start exercising without feeling overwhelmed or needing to purchase equipment. Also, it's a lower impact exercise, meaning it doesn't stress your joints. Walking is a great exercise for beginners, as it can be done anywhere, doesn't require equipment, and puts minimal stress on your joints. Try to incorporate more walks into your day-to-day activities. 2. Jogging or running. Jogging and running are great exercises to help you lose weight. Jogging and running are great exercises for weight loss that are easy to incorporate into your weekly routine. They can also help burn belly fat, which is linked to many chronic diseases. 3. Cycling. Cycling is a popular exercise that improves your fitness and can help you lose weight. Cycling is great for people of all fitness levels and can be done outdoors on a bicycle or indoors on a stationary bike. It has been linked to various health benefits, including increased insulin sensitivity and a reduced risk of certain chronic diseases. 4. Weight training. Weight training is a popular choice for people looking to lose weight. Weight training can help you lose weight by burning calories during and after your workout. It may also help you build muscle mass, which raises your resting metabolic rate, the number of calories your body burns at rest. 5. Interval training, more commonly known as high-intensity interval training, is a broad term that refers to short bursts of intense exercise that alternate with recovery periods. Interval training is an effective weight loss strategy that can be applied to many types of exercises, including running, jumping, biking, and more. Incorporating interval training into your routine can help you burn more calories in less time. 6. Swimming. Swimming is a fun way to lose weight and get in shape. Swimming is a great low-impact exercise for people looking to lose weight. Moreover, it may help improve your flexibility and reduce risk factors for various diseases. 7. Yoga. Yoga is a popular way to exercise and relieve stress. While it's not commonly thought of as a weight loss exercise, it burns a fair amount of calories and offers many additional health benefits that can promote weight loss. Yoga is a great weight loss exercise that can be done nearly anywhere. It not only burns calories but also teaches you mindfulness to help you resist food cravings. 8. Pilates. Pilates is a great beginner-friendly exercise that may help you lose weight, while improving other areas of your physical fitness, such as strength, balance, flexibility, and endurance. Many exercises can help you lose weight. Some great choices for burning calories include walking, jogging, running, cycling, swimming, weight training, interval training, yoga, and Pilates. That said, many other exercises can also help boost your weight loss efforts. It's most important to choose an exercise that you enjoy doing. This makes it more likely that you'll stick to it long term and see results.